Welcome back. Comment below what you think of this damage, and when you see the estimate, what you think of the estimate. Now, the wife was driving through a parking lot. A person started backing out of a parking spot without looking and nudged the back bumper right here. Now, we have unevenness here, so it's possible this got pushed in some. We have dent here, and we had lots of paint transfer right down here, which with all the rain we had and whatnot washed off. But we've got this here, we've got this here and here, and then some paint transfer there. We've got this right here and here, and we've got just a scratch on the tail light here. Doesn't look like it's going to come out. So that's what the damage was. Initially, when it went to the body shop, it had all this paint transfer here that washed off in the rain, so that was just surface. The estimate is 2 pages long, and you can pause the video to examine the estimate, comment below what you think. So here's page 1. And then here's page 2. And I'm not saying the name of the body shop or location. And you can pause the video. So comment below, tell me what you think. $5,700 for uneven gap here, because it's not a smooth gap. And this here, and this right here, and this little spot here, and the tail light, which I'm going to keep the old tail light, and I think I can sell it as a good used tail light that not many folks are going to notice that damage, because the tail light itself is all intact. So comment below, tell me what you think. Thanks for coming by.